Pag ang isang tao tinatakot ka na mag-walk out, iiwanan ka, show them the door. Ang nagmamahal sa'yo, hindi ka iiwanan. Ang nagmamahal sa'yo, hindi ka i-abandon. Ang nagmamahal sa'yo, rerespetuhin ka. Alam na magko-commit siya sa isang tao na hindi naman perpekto, pwedeng magkamali. You need to praise God, thank God for people who are walking away. Why? Kasi may darating na bago. Lahat tayo may purpose sa mundo. Self-respect should always be there. Huwag tayo maghahabol. We do not chase, we attract. Ang tamang tao, magsistay yan. Hindi mo kailangan yan pilitin. But of course, you need to do your responsibility also. To be more conscious, to improve yourself and be better. You cannot keep a relationship by putting more effort into it. Especially if the other person is not into you anymore.